Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It's Extro checking in for the end of month. I'm going to try to do a recap every single week as much as possible, as long as time allocates itself. So this is going to be the very first recording that I have on this. So what I want to do is recap all the weekly option plays that we have done, as well as do a market recap and what I feel the market will continue to do. So what you got in front of you right now is the weekly plays that have been posted for the month of August, and we've had a very successful August. So congratulations to all the team members who have participated in this month's trades. And if you've been doing it every single week, you've been doing pretty well. So all the trades that have been posted as hard money and easy money have been very successful. We started off with about, one loss per week for the hard money, but then things picked up and the plays were pretty consistent. I switched up how I was doing it because I wanted to be more conservative, and that obviously paid off. So congratulations again to everybody who participated. So that's for the plus 7-day weekly plays. And if I switch it over to the 14-day plays, because remember there was no 30-day plays due to earnings coming out in July. So we've had a successful past 2 weeks with the plays that have been posted, because after earnings came out, I obviously started rolling the plays back out. So everybody who's participated in those trades, also congratulations. We've had a very successful past 2 weeks with that. So that is our month. That's the end of the month for August. All the September plays are rolling pretty good. Let me go ahead and roll into what I feel the market will continue to do. So from the very beginning, from March, if you recall, I've told everybody in the team that the market will rebound and that we will push to new highs. And we have done exactly that. I've been able to track the market pretty much right to the dollar every single time when something happens. So here we are at new highs. We closed pretty close to new highs. And what I feel is going to continue to happen is the market will continue to run. We've got the Russell participating now, so small caps are starting to kick in, and that's been one of the lagging indicators for the market. So with the Russell kicking in now, I believe things will continue to move further. So if you got any questions, obviously you can check me out. That's on Twitter, that's on Instagram, that's on StockTwits. That's at Wincrease Team. So that's WINCREASETEAM, Wincrease Team. And if you got any personal questions, obviously you can hit me up on Facebook as well, where we sit down every single week and we go over my trades personally and any other questions that you got. So thanks again for tuning in. Thank you again to all of the team members who participate and make their money. I enjoy helping you do that, and let's continue to do so. Be also sure to check out my buddies that's on Marathon Money every single week. Check out Cam and Kenny every week, Marathon Money, the podcast. Until then, check you next week. Peace.